come on, come on.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Madge, and for today's video, tayo ay mag-unbox once again. So dumating na ang ating another copies of Lisa Alter Ego first album. So binili ko siya kay 6 Trade guys sa Shopee. So oh my god, meron siyang crack. Mali ko kasi na pagsabay ko to sa as you can see sa Universal League na Nemo. So I think nadaganan siya kaya may crack. So kapag bibili kayo ng jewel case, make it sure na you'll bought it separately para walang crack, like what nakuha natin, diba, sa unang copy natin ng jewel case. So this one will be exclusive Dear Muse POV guys. So at least one lang yung may crack and the other one is wala guys. So yun yung magiging disadvantage kapag jewel case. So nagbigay siya ng additional bonus photo card. So itong dalawang gold, this will be for the Dear Muse POV guys. So ito bonus photo card. So thank you kay 6 Trade guys, a very legit seller sa Shopee. So I'll put the link in the description box down below if ever you want to purchase guys. So eto na, gusto ko kasi yung photo card niya, ang ganda kasi talaga ni Lisa kapag blonde yung hair niya. Oh, cute. So cutie patootie, tsaka especially kapag nakabangs siya guys. So ayan. So this both is exclusive for Dear Muse POV jewel case version guys. So kailangan dalawa para makuha mo yung dalawa kasi 1:1 siya. So at least ito wala siyang crack. So thank God. So isa lang siya. So let's hope na different random photo cards yung makuha natin. Kasi diba last time, if you watch my previous yung una-una natin season, yung nakuha natin, isa lang kasi siya na jewel case. And then, Sunny version, nakuha natin is another Sunny photo card B. So tatlong pare-parehas na and one speedy. So I hope these two random photo cards na sa loob will be different. So let's check kung makuha ba natin iba or parehas na Sunny or Speedy yung makuha natin guys. If ever na may parehas siya, ipapag-giveaway ko naman siya guys. So one Sunny version and one jewel case na parehas guys, dahil meron tayong sobra guys. Okay, so meron pa akong parating kasi I also order 4 exclusive Apple Music guys. So hinihintay ko na lang siya. So I want to complete as much as possible yung mga POV ni Lisa guys. So ayan. So this will be the super jewel case kasi hindi siya yung normal na jewel case na in-open guys. So kailangan niya siyang i-press para mag-open siya. Oh my god. Kapag mga ganito, ito yung talagang disadvantage ng jewel case guys. Madaling mabasag. Kaya mas yung start ko mag-collect ng K-pop merch or albums, okay na okay guys. Kasi nga hindi siya jewel case, pero buminilik nila yung jewel case. So wow, si Roxy. Ito dito ako nagbe-base photo card B. Oh my god, at least different. So we have 3 different types of photo cards. 15 yung kailangan i-collect guys. So sana naman swertehin tayo na hindi pare-parehas. So this one will be the photo book guys. So konti lang dito, unlike kapag sa mismong standard or photo book version nga guys, mas madami yung niya here. So hindi ko na so ito lang yung holographic. Okay, so open na natin itong pangalawa. So titingnan natin dito yung random photo card. Sana iba para at least wala pa tayong Vixie, wala pa tayong Kiki na photo cards. I want to complete the Sunny version. So sa isasama ko sa pag-giveaway ko is yung Sunny photo card B and Speedy photo card guys, kasi nga diba parehas. Oh my god. So this is it. Oh my god. What? Oh. Parehas sa Roxy photo card me. Oh my god, every time na I purchase 2, the same, parehas din yung ano natin. So, at least ay pamimigay natin guys na Sunny photo card version, and this one jewel case is may kasamang photo card guys. So, nakita nyo naman here. So, lalagay natin na rin siya ng, I think, dapat di kayo sensitive kasi ang isasama ko is etong may scratches na guys. So, sorry. So, ayan. So, isasama ko siya sa pag-giveaway. And the other one then as well. So, I'm also waiting for another Sunny version for the Amazon exclusive naman guys. So, bali bundle yung ating papag-giveaway. Sa first pag-giveaway natin is isang Sunny version na photo book version plus the jewel case. So, both may kasamang random photo cards complete guys yung inyong makukuha dahil as you can see, kung napanood nyo yung mga previous unboxing ko ng Lisa Alter Ego, halos pare-parehas yung nakuha natin. So this time, I'm not super duper lucky, but at least we have 3 different photo cards na random photo cards guys. And of course, they gave bonus photo cards, so thank you so much. So legit sellers, kay K-pop merch, and then kay 6 trade. So, ayun guys, nalagay ko na siya sa ating collection. So, thank you. So, until next time, bye!
Call you up, but I can't get through. Don't know you sleep late. If you got the hottest side of the brain, then why is it harder for me to take?